And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 81. Let me show you how you can apply gradients to elements. I've already shown you right here the basic swatches, and we actually do have some gradients here to select. But you can also do that manually because we have a gradient tool. G is the shortkey for it. And if you left click drag on the element, nothing's going to happen. To apply it, simply left click once on the element and then the default will be given. So in this case, black was the fill color that we've used. Therefore, when we left click, the gradient uses that color and white to create a linear gradient from left to right, so black to white. And you can see these two circles, these are the color stops. You can left click on it and then change it via the swatches, for example to red. And at the start, let me use green. You can also left click drag on them to reposition them. And in the middle, there's a diamond icon. This is simply the transition between the two colors. So the midpoint can be readjusted as well. The endpoints can be adjusted. On the left, this is simply then a repositioning. On the right, you can make the gradient smaller or bigger. And finally, if you hover on the edge, you can see we can actually rotate it. So simply watch out for this rotation icon to appear, and then you can left click drag, reposition it, make it a bit smaller. And these are the basics of this gradient tool, and it can be applied to any object in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.